All right, the next example we're going to look at involves some restrictions. Okay, the other examples were pretty straightforward, but sometimes we have restrictions on certain choices that we have to make. So let's take a look at example 6. In this example, Sarah has 12 shirts in her closet. One is white, one is yellow, 3 are green, and 7 are purple. She wants to select a different shirt to wear for each of the 5 weekdays, each of the next 5 weekdays, Monday through Friday. How many ways can she select the shirts? Can she select 5 shirts, one for each of these 5 days? All right. So the first question is just asking, okay, with no restrictions, she has, she has to wear, a different shirt every day. Okay, so she says she wants to wear a different shirt. So that's really the only restriction here is that she's not going to re-wear. If she wore her purple Viking shirt on Monday, then she's not going to wear it again on Tuesday. Okay, so basically we have to choose a shirt for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Okay, and then we can just kind of go through it and figure out how many choices she has. Well, on Monday she's got all 12 of her shirts available, and so she has 12 shirts that she can choose for Monday. Now on Tuesday, she's already worn a shirt on Monday. Okay, so she's not going to re-wear it at that anytime during that week. So now she only has 11 shirts to choose from. And then on Wednesday, again, she's worn 2 of her 12 shirts, so she only has 10 left to choose from. And then on Thursday, again, she's got 1 less to choose from, so she's got 9 and then 8. Okay, so that's basically it. We just need to then multiply that all together, and I got 95,040 ways that she could choose her shirts with no restrictions other than it has to be a different shirt every day. All right, so part B though, where she wants, she must wear a purple shirt on Monday. Okay, that's a restriction. That's a new restriction. Now we're going to assume that she still has to wear a different shirt every day, but now the only restriction is that it has to be purple on Monday. Okay, so, but again, we had to make choices for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So how many choices does she have for Monday? Well, how many purple shirts does she have? She has to choose a purple one, and it says she has 7 purple shirts. So she only has 7 choices for Monday. After that, she can choose whatever shirt she wants except for the one she wore on Monday. So she'll have 11 choices for Tuesday, 10 for Thursday, 10 for Wednesday, 9 for Thursday, and 8 for Friday. Okay? So we multiply those all together, and she's got 55,440 different ways that she could choose her shirts for the week. All right. Next question asks if she must wear a purple shirt on Friday. Okay, so now it's Friday that is purple shirt day. So, but again, she's got to choose shirts for each day of the week, right? Monday through Friday. And now the restriction is on Friday. Okay, so let's think about this. If I choose my shirt on Monday, I can choose any shirt I want. It could be purple. It might not be purple. Okay. And depending on whether I choose a purple shirt or not, it's going to affect how many purple shirts I have to choose from on Friday. Okay, so that kind of makes a mess of things. So here's the tip. Work with the most restrictive case first. Okay, so we want to choose Fridays. To make this easy, we want to choose Friday's shirt first because that's the only day there's a restriction. Okay, so it's sort of like, and it'll be just the same as the part B above, except we're going to choose, it's Friday that we have to wear a purple shirt. So we're going to choose that first. Choose that first. And then we know how many, for the rest of the days, we know how many shirts we're dealing with. So the problem is if we try to choose Monday or Tuesday or Wednesday or Thursday before we choose Friday, we're allowed to wear a purple shirt any day of the week. It's just that we have to wear it on Friday, and we'd like to know how many shirts we're dealing with on Friday to be able to use the multiplication principle. So I have first. We're going to choose Friday first. Okay, that's the key. Deal with the restriction first, and then move on to the other days. Okay. All right. So once she has her shirt reserved for Friday, okay, she's chosen what she's going to wear on Friday, then she has 11 shirts left, and she can choose from 11 shirts on Monday, and then 10 on Tuesday, and 9 on Wednesday, and 8 on Thursday. Okay. So we're going to end up with the same number. We get 55,440 different ways that she could choose her wardrobe. But the key here is that we want to deal with the restriction first, right? Because if we tried to choose the Monday shirt first, we don't know how many shirts we'll end up with on Friday for choices. All right, next part says that we want to figure out how many different ways that she could choose her shirts if she must wear a purple shirt on Monday and Friday. Okay, so now both Monday and Friday are purple shirt days. All right, so again, I'm just going to list out the different days where I have to make choices. It doesn't matter what order I choose these in, so but I do want to deal with the restriction first. So let's deal with Monday and Friday first, because at the beginning of the week, I know how many purple shirts I have to work with, right? If I try to wait, then I don't necessarily know how many purple shirts I have to deal with. So let's choose Monday and Friday first. She has 7 purple shirts, so if we choose Monday's shirt first, she has 7 choices for Monday. Now let's go to Friday, okay? She has she's already worn one of her purple shirts. She's chosen to wear on Monday, so then she has 6 choices for Friday. Okay. Now she's got 2 of her shirts chosen, and the other days we don't have any restrictions. So we have 10 shirts left for Tuesday, and then when she's chosen Tuesday's shirt, she'll have 9 for choices for Wednesday, and then 8 for Thursday. Okay. And then we can just multiply that out. 30,240 ways. Okay, so again, deal with the restrictions first. So choose these 2 days first. Choose first. And then deal with the other days that we don't have restrictions on. All right, we got one more part to this question. Keep getting more complicated. In this scenario, she must wear a purple shirt on Friday, and she cannot wear green on Wednesdays. Okay, so we got a couple of different restrictions here. So again, she's got to make a choice for each of the days of the week. So I'm just going to list those out. And okay, we know we want to deal with the restriction first. Now here, she's restricted on Friday, to just her 7 purple shirts. On Wednesday, she cannot wear green, okay, but she can wear purple if she wants to on Wednesday, right? So we probably want to deal with the purple shirt first, because that's the most restrictive, right? She's just restricted down to those 7 purple shirts. Okay, so that's the most restrictive case. And then now let's deal with Wednesday, because that's the next most restrictive case. Now we just know that she cannot wear green, but she could wear any of her other shirts, including purple. So let's deal with that. Okay, so she had 12 shirts. She's already she can't choose green, right? She can't choose green. And how many green shirts does she have? It looks like, what was it? She has 3 green shirts. So she can't wear any of those 3 green shirts, and she cannot use wear the shirts that she's going to wear on Friday. So that leaves her 8 choices. Okay. So and now the rest of the days don't have any restrictions. So now let's go back and say, okay, well, for Monday, now she's already chosen 2 shirts to wear for Wednesday and Friday. So she has 10 choices left for Monday, and then she'll have 9 choices for Tuesday, and then she'll have 8 choices for Thursday. All right. So that comes out to be 40,320 ways that she could choose her shirts for the week. Okay. So the key here is to deal with the most restrictive case first. So most restrictive first. And then deal with the next most restrictive. Next most restrictive. All right, and then you'll get it. So, all right. Now, the next example is another one for you to try. It's very similar, actually, to this one. There's actually a challenge question at the end, which you may want to watch the video for. But you can. But it'd be good to think it through. Think about what you might do on that one. I'll record a video for that, and I'll meet you in the next video.